Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to find more security and privacy. Scroll down again to localize encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, so clear credentials, and confirm it with OK. You will have to confirm it with your screen lock, so do it. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.